In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, apply, and update a task template in ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the task you want to turn into a reusable template. Before saving it, take a moment to make sure the task includes everything you want to reuse later. This might include the description, subtasks, checklists, assignees, due dates, custom fields, attachments, and any other task settings that are important for your workflow. The more complete the original task is, the more useful your template will be. Next, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the task. From there, select Templates, and then choose Save as Template. This is a great feature in ClickUp because it helps you standardize repeated processes and save time on recurring work. Now enter a name for your task template. You can also add a description or tags if needed, especially if you want to make it easier to find later. After that, choose the template's sharing settings based on who should be able to use it. You'll then decide what information should be included in the template. If you want to carry over everything, choose Import Everything. If you only want certain parts of the task to be reused, select Customize Import Items. This lets you choose exactly what to include, such as assignees, attachments, checklists, comments, custom fields, statuses, and dates. Once everything looks right, click Save Template. When you're ready to use the template, create a new task and open it. Click the three dots in the upper right corner again. Select Templates and then choose Apply a Template. Search for the template you created, select it and review it before applying. When you're ready, click Use Template. After the template is applied, review the newly populated task carefully. Update the task name, assignee, dates, or any other details that should be specific to this new task. This helps you keep the structure of the template while still tailoring the task to the current project. If you want to use templates more quickly, you can type /temp in a task title or description and choose your template from the options that appear. If you often create tasks from the same template in a list, you can pin that template so it's easier to select during task creation. And if every new task in a list should follow the same format, set that template as the default task template for the list. To update an existing template, open the relevant space, folder, subfolder, or list menu, select Templates, and choose Update Existing Template. Then select the template you want to change, make the necessary updates to the template settings, and click Save Template. Thanks for watching.